Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to tone and strengthen your inner and outer thighs right from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. Today I've got 6 key exercises to help sculpt those thighs, improve stability, and make everyday movements easier. And the best part? No fancy equipment is needed. Just your body weight and a little determination. But first, let me share a quick story. A few years ago, a friend of mine struggled with knee pain and felt like his legs weren't as strong as they should be. After researching and testing different workouts, he found that targeting his inner and outer thighs made a huge difference, not just in how he looked, but in how he felt. So whether you're here for aesthetics, strength, or just to move better, these exercises are for you. Let's get started. The problem most people face. Now let's talk about the problem. So many of us focus on squats and lunges, great exercises that don't always hit the inner and outer thigh muscles the way we need. These areas significantly affect balance, posture, and even prevent injuries. If you've ever felt knee pain, hip discomfort, or even struggled with specific movements, your thigh muscles might need some extra love. I put together this routine, 6 simple but super effective moves that directly target those areas. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Side-lying leg lifts. This exercise targets the outer thighs and the hips. Lie on your side, legs stacked. Lift your top leg slowly, keeping control. Lower back down without touching the other leg. Do 12 to 15 reps per leg. Exercise 2. Inner thigh leg lifts. Targets your inner thighs. Stay on your side, but bend your top leg this time and place your foot in front of the bottom leg. Lift the bottom leg up and down with control. Do 12 to 15 reps per leg. Exercise 3. Sumo squats. Targets inner thighs, glutes, and quads. Stand with feet wider than hip width, toes slightly pointed out. Lower into a squat, keeping knees in line with toes. Push through your heels to return to standing. Do 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 4. Side lunges. Targets inner and outer thighs, glutes. Step out to one side, bending the knee while keeping the other leg straight. Push back to the center. Alternate sides. Do 12 reps per leg. Exercise 5. Clamshells. Targets outer thighs and hips. Lie on your side with your knees bent at 90 degrees. Open the top knee while keeping your feet together. Close back down. Do 12 to 15 reps per side. Exercise 6. Wall sit with inner thigh squeeze. Targets inner and outer thighs and core stability. Sit against a wall, knees at a 90-degree angle. Hold a small pillow or yoga block between your knees and squeeze. Hold that squeeze for 30 to 45 seconds. Closing, wrap up. And that's it. 6 simple yet super effective exercises to strengthen your inner and outer thighs. If you do this routine consistently, you'll feel more substantial and stable, and maybe even notice some extra tone in those legs. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which exercises you're adding to your routine. And if you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more awesome workouts like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the following video. Bye for now.